I was very much impressed of what the UNICEF Foundation is doing in this country with the cooperation of the government of Kenya. And I have discussed what UNICEF and other United Nations agencies can do and participate in the project in Kenya, and I thought that will be a good opportunity to suggest to the government of Kenya create a high committee at ministerial level to coordinate and work together with the United Nations agencies, including UNICEF. And I'm very happy that His Excellency the President of the Republic agreed in principle to establish such a committee.